Peshwa Bajirao was born on August 18, 1700 in Maharashtra. Ascending to the position of Peshwa at just 20, Bajirao became a legendary warrior, leading the Maratha Empire to numerous victories. Known for his military prowess, he won around 40 battles and played a crucial role under the 4th Maratha Emperor Chhatrapati Shahu Raje Bhosle. Also called Bajirao Ballal, he is celebrated for his strategic genius and leadership. During his tenure, Bajirao defeated key adversaries including the Nizam, Muhammad Bangash, the Mughals, and the Portuguese. His conquests extended Maratha control over 70 to 80% of India, encompassing regions such as Maharashtra, Gujarat, Malwa, and Bundelkhand. Bajirao's efforts were instrumental in confining Mughal power to Delhi, reinforcing the Maratha Empire's dominance and advancing the legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji's vision of Hindvi Swarajya. His campaign aimed at establishing Hindu Padshahī. Peshwa Bajirao passed away on April 28, 1740 in Madhya Pradesh. Lieutenant Colonel A.B. Tarapore was born on August 18, 1923 in Mumbai. A distinguished officer in the Indian Army, he demonstrated extraordinary courage and bravery during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. Ultimately making the supreme sacrifice for his country. In recognition of his valor, he was posthumously awarded the Param Veer Chakra in 1965. As the commanding officer of the Poona Horse Regiment in Sialkot sector, Lieutenant Colonel Tarapore faced a significant challenge on September 11, 1965, when his regiment was counterattacked by heavily armored Pakistani forces. Despite severe injuries, he resolutely led his regiment in a valiant defense and captured key positions at Wazirwali, Jasoran, and Buttu Dongrandi, while destroying 60 Pakistani tanks. Tragically, his tank was hit by a shell and caught fire, leading to his martyrdom. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was born on August 18, 1900 in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. A distinguished Indian freedom fighter, diplomat and politician, she made significant contributions to both national and international affairs. She served as the 8th President of the United Nations General Assembly from 1953 to 1954, becoming the first woman to hold this position. Additionally, she was the 3rd governor of Maharashtra from 1962 to 1964. Pandit was imprisoned several times for her role in the Indian independence movement. Her family had notable political achievements. Her brother Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Her niece Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India, and her great-grandson Rajiv Gandhi was the 6th and youngest Prime Minister of India. She held prominent diplomatic roles, including as India's envoy to the Soviet Union, the United States, and the United Nations, and was later sent to London as India's chief diplomat. Disapproving of the emergency imposed by Indira Gandhi, she left the Congress party and joined Janata Dal. Vijayalakshmi Pandit passed away on December 1, 1990. Gulzar, born Sampuran Singh Kalra on August 18, 1936, is a distinguished Indian poet, writer, lyricist and filmmaker. Originally from Dina, Pakistan, his family settled in India after the partition. Renowned for his contributions to Hindi and Urdu literature, Gulzar's poem and ghazals are celebrated for their emotional depth and beauty. His work in Hindi cinema and literature has earned him significant accolades, including the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2002 and the Padma Bhushan, India's 3rd highest civilian honor, in 2004. In 2009, Gulzar won the Oscar for Best Original Song for Jai Ho, which he wrote for the film Slumdog Millionaire, directed by Danny Boyle. He also received a Grammy Award for the same song. Throughout his career, Gulzar has been honored with numerous national and international awards, including the Filmfare Award and the National Film Award.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
The Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur was established on August 18, 1951 as India's first IIT and remains one of country's premier technical institutes. Located in Kharagpur, West Bengal, the institute spans over 2,100 acres and offers a wide range of engineering and technology courses. IIT Kharagpur comprises various departments and schools, including engineering, technology, humanities, and social sciences. It is equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories, libraries, and research centers, playing a crucial role in advancing technical education. Its undergraduate and postgraduate programs are renowned for their high standards, and its alumni have made significant contributions across various fields. The establishment of IIT Kharagpur was inspired by Nalini Ranjan Sarkar's recommendation in 1946 for higher technical institutes in India modelled after the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The initiative was supported by West Bengal's then Chief Minister Bidhan Chandra Roy, who persuaded Jawaharlal Nehru to establish the institute. In 2019, IIT Kharagpur was recognized as an institute of excellence by the Government of India. On August 18, 1868, French astronomers Pierre-Jules César Janssen and Norman Lockyer discovered helium. They observed a yellow line in the spectrum of the sun's chromosphere during a solar eclipse. Janssen named this line D3, while Lockyer concluded that it indicated the presence of a previously unknown element which he named helium after the Greek word for the sun. In 1895, William Ramsay confirmed the presence of helium on Earth by examining gas extracted from mineral plavite. Helium is a chemical element found in Earth's atmosphere in its gaseous state. It is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Helium has since proven to be extremely useful. It is used in weather balloons as a safer alternative to hydrogen in aircraft and in breathing mixtures for deep-sea diving. Additionally, helium is employed in cooling MRI machines and various scientific research applications. On August 18, 1920, women in America gained the right to vote with ratification of the 19th Amendment. The movement for women's suffrage began gaining momentum in the 1840s, driven by widespread campaigns advocating for equal rights, including the right to vote. By 1920, the US Congress passed the 19th Amendment, which prohibited any state or the United States from denying the right to vote based on gender. This landmark amendment significantly enhanced women's political rights, allowing them to participate in elections. Following this change, women became more active in politics and their contributions to society gained greater recognition.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.